Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing this thing. I gotta unbox it first. It has been unboxed. Now it's time for the unbagging. It has been unbagged. So these things are very dangerous, so I wouldn't recommend using them. Using them when you're like alone, because you'll probably like cut your eye out or lose a finger. So just make sure that you have an ambulance waiting for you. I don't. I'm actually really scared. Oh, it goes this way. That doesn't seem so bad. Well, here it is. Seems like a long boy. I don't know how to... I'm not sure how to put it back in. I think it's getting smaller. Boom. Alright, now let's do a trick here. Alright. Jesus Christ! Let me try that again. Not sure if this is how you're supposed to... Okay, now it's like stuck. Alright, thanks for watching. I spent $40 on this. It's great quality. I'd recommend, as long as you have a medic, like I don't, waiting, just in case, because this is really sharp, and this could pop out into your eye. So, thanks for watching.